In this video, we're going to review OxyEnergy Lipo Shred, and it's actually help you to fat loss as well as to get some more energy, vitality, and focus. So there's actually some side effects with this, such as the increased heart rate and blood pressure, anxiety and insomnia, headaches and nausea, as well as digestive problems. It also has some risks on liver damage because it is actually a fat burning supplement. Similar to others, it contains ingredients like oxalic acid, which has been linked to severe liver damage requiring transplantation. It also interacts with medication, so fat burners like this can interfere with your maintenance medicines as well as other medicines that you're taking. To take note that there's actually no quick fix with shedding your fat, and the only way for this is to get a balanced diet, healthy lifestyle, and exercise. Doctors warn that fat burners are not a substitute for healthy diet and exercise, so do take note of that as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.